welcome to my channel. My name is Mallory and I am a mom to a 6-month, almost 7-month baby boy that you can hear in the background, and I might have to go grab him while I film this video. Hey guys, everyone meet Max. This is my son, Max, and this video is going to be an unboxing, setting up an initial review of the Stokke Tripp Trapp Chair. I am so excited about this. I've been waiting to get this. I've been putting it off, and I've been wanting to get it, and finally I ordered it. I ordered it from albebaby.com. I have no affiliation with them other than I'm a happy customer. And every purchase that you get from Albe Baby, you get cashback credit to their online store, which you could apply to future orders. That's what I've done for every single order that we've placed from them. Let's just take a look. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I would really encourage you to subscribe, hit the red button down below, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. And every time I post a new video, you will get a notification in your YouTube feed, like in your app. So let's take a look at the outside of the box so you guys know what I'm talking about. Okay, you guys, so this is what we ordered. We ordered, like I said, the Tripp Trapp chair made by Stokke, and we got it in the walnut color, as you can see. And we got the chair that comes with, as you can see, the high chair insert. They do sell a high chair tray that you can attach, but we got this chair specifically because it can pull up to your regular table, and your child, even at a young age, is like 6-7 months, they can sit at the table with the adults. And we are also waiting on a Montessori child's chair and table, so it's child-sized table and chair, but it's taking a little longer to make than we initially thought. And he's been on solids for a month now and doesn't have, I know, he doesn't have a place to sit. Right, you don't have a place to sit. I just hold you on my lap, or I sit you on the floor, and that's kind of getting old. I really want him to be able to sit and just explore, and so I'm not having, like at dinner time, so I'm not holding him on my lap and trying to balance him and feed him and then try to take a bite in between his bites. Like, it's just getting to be too much. So I'm so excited, so I'm going to take you guys along as we unbox it and set it up. I know, are you excited? I'm so excited. Yeah. Boop. Tell the camera how excited you are. Wow. Okay, guys, let's get started. I'm realizing also that this space is a really nice place to film because of the nice white background, and the lighting is really good. So maybe I'll film more videos here. So the outside of the box also shows you like the different ways that you can set up the chair. So there is an infant insert, which I would totally consider getting for our next kid, and then the high chair seat, and then just the regular seat that actually adults can sit in. So let's unbox it. Alright, so the first we have directions in here. And these must be dividers. Up here's the high chair seat. So this part is made of plastic, but the actual chair is made of wood and maybe birch, I'm not sure. But anyway, so there's like the back and then the crotch area. We have the actual seat, the actual chair. So here it is. I'm gonna take a picture with it before I unbox it. All right, you guys, so let's open the actual box of the Tripp Trapp. the next day, and I just wanted to kind of give a little overview of the Tripp Trapp chair. I will say that it was a little bit confusing at first, and I'm going to point out a few things for you guys to be aware of if you decide to get it and you put it together. Probably should have looked up a video on how to put it together. It would have been easier than just following the instructions. So the first part is putting this rail in here, the bottom wooden rail, and these little things that you can kind of see here, they're metal and they have to go in. There's a hole. It's like this rectangular thing, and there's a hole that is more to one side than the other, and that side, the one, like the side that it's closest to, that side goes in first. Okay, so if you don't do that, then the holes won't line up correctly and all of that. So all the wood pieces, except for the seat and the footrest, have those things. Then you have two metal bars, I guess for just stability sake, and so those just go in with the screws on the side. You can see well, there and there are the metal rods. These things go on last. They're plastic. They kind of slide in on the rails underneath there, just I guess for extra stability. And then in the front, the mistake that we made was tightening all of the screws. But if I had read the directions properly, which it's just pictures like and symbols, so there's no words, what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put the screws in but not tighten them. Okay, because we tightened everything. Well, first of all, we had problems getting back on because we tightened one in there and then we couldn't get the other one in there. So you have to leave it loose so you can get those in. But then, so we tightened those, and then we couldn't get these things in to slide in. They just slide in on the grooves. But you have to have all of the other screws, even the metal rod screws, loosened in there, but still loose, so that you can slide these in, because I mean, this is not going anywhere. It is in there really, really tight. So you have to have that loose, and then you tighten everything. And then the infant, like high chair seat goes in. And as you can see, all it does, it just clips on. So this is plastic. Obviously, this is a type of material. This is already, you know, on there. And then the rest is wood, and then the metal rods. So it is really sturdy. So that was just tricky, just not fully reading the directions. So I recommend that, or watching a video like this. Okay, sorry, my battery died. I recommend, you know, really making sure you know what you're doing. It was a little bit frustrating, but it wasn't bad. Otherwise, like if you know exactly what you're doing, the assembly is really quite simple. It's not that hard. All you need is the little Allen wrench that it comes with, and you don't need any power tools or anything. He is really, really going. I love it. I will insert some pictures of Max sitting in it. This product was originally $269.99. It's pretty much that price everywhere. Some of the colors might be a little less expensive, and some are actually a little more expensive. But this one was $269, and then I had about a $60 credit to Albie Baby, which is why I bought it there, so that I could get $60 off. So it was $209 before tax. Now we live in California, so a lot of tax. But the basic price was $209. That is kind of expensive for a high chair. In my opinion, spending that money is worth it, because this chair is going to grow with your child, and they can use it for life, basically. I think I read where it goes up to 187 pounds. So as long as they don't go over that. But I mean, basically they could have it for their entire childhood and even teenagehood. You know, as long as they live at home, that can be their chair. And then you just adjust it. Obviously you take that off once they don't need it anymore, and you can adjust the seat and the footrest as they grow. So then they can always have their feet flat, which is better for biomechanics, is to have your feet flat on the floor when you're eating, when you're sitting and you're eating, instead of just dangling. That's just not comfortable. You know, if you think about it, it's not comfortable. So I think it's worth it. Even if you don't have a child that needs the high chair part, You know, maybe your child can sit on a chair by themselves, but they're not, you know, they're not big enough to sit in a chair and their feet are going to touch the floor. It's like, it's going to be years. So I think that this would totally be worth it. Even if maybe you have like a 2-year-old, I think this would be worth it, especially if you know you like the aesthetics of it and you can get one that matches your table. I mean, this is an heirloom piece. This is going to be ours like for the rest of our life. It's from Europe. So it's like the dining room table we always wanted. And so this is going to be our table for life. And this is really great because it matches. Yeah, I highly recommend it. You don't need to have an infant in order to get it. And then also, if you get the chair without the high chair seat, it is less expensive. So all right, we're just gonna end this vlog style. I hope this was helpful to you guys. Yes, I have new glasses since yesterday. If you guys have any questions about the Tripp Trapp, I'd be happy to answer them. I have no affiliation with the company, at least as of this filming. I have no association with Albie Baby as of this filming. So I'm just a happy customer. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to subscribe, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.